So today we're going to do transplanting. Start off with your cocoa or your soil mix. Get an empty bucket. As you can see, this stuff here has lots of perlite, but about 10%. I like to put a little bit more than 10, about 20, 30. I've done 50 before. You may want to watch the dust. Don't try to breathe here. Get it well mixed. Always find perlite great for drainage. Plus, try to get the air to the roots. Obviously, using fabric pots here. And with the good amount of perlite, there's lots of aeration, but also means a dry pot quick. Next is the plant. We're going to go from a 2 to a 3. It's going to be its final home right here. So what I like to do is line it up. So if I just put a little bit at the bottom, this is about the same height as I want it. Like it's like just a couple inches off the top. You could almost go flush, but just in case you overwater or whatever, it's good. Or accidentally knock it, it's not going to get everywhere. So before I like the transplant, just give her a little squeeze. I'll put a little bit of stuff in here. Grab a tool. I like to make some pasta. Okay, this guy here. It's pretty full here. So we're going to put a little bit of soil in the bottom, just so it's fresh. Like this. You want to try not to make a mess. Just bring your bucket really close. Just covering the bottom about an inch. I want a little bit more than that, about 2 inches, because it's kind of compressed too. Just like that. I try to take them out in here, so it makes all the mess in here less vacuuming. Now the only problem with these fabric pots is the roots like to grab the bottom of the pot, and yeah, not so fun. This one doesn't seem to be too bad, so I'm just pinching, pulling a little bit at a time, loosening it up. The end goal is you want to just be able to put your hand like this and tip it and pull the bag off without breaking it. Of course, those roots like to get right into the fabric of the bag. If we were using plastic pots, this would be about 1,000 times easier. In the center. Best you can. You may end up crooked at the end, but that's okay. It'll figure itself out. This is the part I hate, putting dirt in. I find a scooper like this, good size ladle, is the best thing. Oh yeah, thanks cat. Here a little press. Too hard, just a little bit to compact it. This plant is just about over a month old now from seed. Yeah, so it has a full month of vegetation. So it has another 4 weeks. It has to chill out. Hopefully it don't get too big. I've had that happen before. Got way too big. I had a plant that was almost 4 feet. I burnt the snot out of the top from the lights. Good. So this one's going to get into a trellis soon. I'm going to plane her down. I mean, it's not very tall, but has a lot of potential. Maintenance go like that, and all these will go up. And another month progress of that, it'll be 1 pack plant. And I find you shouldn't have to go over 3 gallons. Like I've proven some pretty big plants in just 3-gallon pots. You don't need to go over a 5-gallon. Even at the end when I harvest them, I check out the roots. It's not even full. Like there's a million root hairs and stuff yet, but there's still like it probably could stay in. You use a 5. You could probably go for a good 4-month veg in a pot. Then you'd be probably maxing it out. I'm going to make up some water for this one and put it back in the veg room. And do a little vacuuming because this sucks.